Hi and welcome to Virtual SC Music Appreciation. This video will help you figure out how to navigate the basics of the course so that you can get started. If you haven't logged into your VSC account yet, please do so right now.
When you first log into your Virtual SC account, you should see a screen like this one. We call this the Genius dashboard. Take a minute to look at each part of this page. This is your dashboard page. Just like the dashboard of a car, this is where you find all the information that drives the course and helps you navigate information. On the left side of your dashboard, you'll see a vertical menu. This menu houses all the links you'll need to access various things, most importantly the communication tool that we call Genius Messenger. But more about that later. In the main part of your Genius dashboard you will see announcements and other important information. Sometimes there will be blocks of text, and sometimes you will get a pop-up box, which you will click on, once you have read it.
Now let's talk about Genius Messenger. There is only one place where you will find the link to send a Genius message. That is right here on your Genius dashboard. Follow the arrow and click on the messages link, and the messaging window will open. There is a tutorial video in the course that will show you, in detail, how Genius Messenger works. Please make sure you watch it.
If you scroll down to the bottom of the page on your dashboard, you'll see the Music Appreciation Course portal. Click on that, and a new window will open. This is called Moodle, and is where you will complete all your coursework, check your grade, and access the learning materials this semester.
Hopefully, you have clicked on the portal and have opened the Moodle page, which is the Music Appreciation class. At the top of the page, you see a banner, your teacher's picture, their office hours and contact information. Each teacher's information, picture and banner will be different, of course, so take a minute to look at this info about your instructor.
Take a look at the left side of your screen. Here you will see a vertical menu that shows links for each part of the course. If you scroll down this menu, you can access all the units. Of course, you can also just scroll down the main part of the page as well. After you look through all of the information in the top section, under your teacher's picture, you will come to the course introduction unit. This is where the course actually begins. Click on the title to open the unit and get started. The first thing you will find is another tutorial video about how to be successful in this unit. Actually, there are tutorial videos at the beginning of each unit and before most graded submissions. They can be very helpful, so make sure you watch them.
The last thing we want you to know is that every unit, reading, assignment, submission, and comprehension check is sequential. That means that when you complete something, the next thing will open automatically. You cannot skip around the course, because you will need the information you learned in Unit 1 to be successful in Unit 2. It's the same within each unit and throughout the course. We hope this video has been helpful. Don't hesitate to reach out to your music appreciation instructor, your school guidance counselor, or Virtual SC student services. We hope you enjoy your Virtual SC musical journey.